All right, hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of Market Trading. I'm your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live at this very late hour, New York time. It is 10:15. Let me make sure that everything is good. All right, and we are set. All right, hey everyone. Welcome back on the Tone Vays channel with, as usual, technical difficulties. I hope you guys caught me earlier today on the Financial Summits YouTube channel. That was the first of many upcoming live streams, and we got good viewership over there. We got about, I think we had about 200 live, which is really, really good for the first ever live stream that took place on that channel. Let me go straight to screen share. I will only have 15 minutes for you guys tonight, but you can catch Matt McGregor and I once again tomorrow morning. So make sure you are subscribed to the Financial Summit YouTube channel. When you go to that Financial Summit YouTube channel, you will see the first video that will show up will be the video that we did this morning. So there it is, Bitcoin ETF. Live crypto coverage with the Bitcoin ETF. And we'll do another video probably in about 10 hours or so, probably around 8, 9 a.m. Eastern time, because Matt's in Australia and I am on New York time here in Panama. Well, yeah, it was the ETF was going to get approved sooner or later. I was right for 8 years. If someone is right for 8 years straight, eventually you're going to be wrong. It's the opposite of the gloom and doomers. They're wrong 8 years straight, and then the market collapses. And for some reason, people think they've been right for 8 years straight. So I thought they were going to delay the ETF some more. They did not. But as you guys know, I exited my GBTC position, and the price of Bitcoin has not gone up since the ETF was approved. So I am still happy with my exit in GBTC. We're going to talk about that a little bit later in the show. So nothing changed. I expected this to be a sell the news event. There was a possibility that there would be upside on the hype. I mean, maybe if the SEC didn't completely screw up and release the news a day early and then say that they were compromised, maybe if that didn't happen, Bitcoin could have pumped above 50. But certainly now you can see what happened. Here's our allocation. I got out at the very top of the price of Bitcoin. I'm just not comfortable holding GBTC. The discount is almost at zero. I was holding GBTC into the zero discount. I was always planning to get out of GBTC around the discount being zero. Discount was 4%. That was good enough for me. And I got out at the very top of the price of Bitcoin yesterday. Now GBTC did trade higher at one point this morning. That's why before market closed, but that's okay. I don't mind. And make sure you are following the Financial Summit channel because eventually all my financial knowledge will be transferred as a guest on that network. All right, here's the current daily chart. We are still on pace for an MRI top. We're halfway through this. It's actually good that this is a pullback candle. I would still like to see the next couple of days be pullbacks. I want to re-enter my cash position into a different allocation of Bitcoin. Here's what I need to explain on the allocation chart. The allocation is still 100% Bitcoin. The moving averages never crossed. I just exited my GBTC position in order to move that cash into a different Bitcoin proxy, either one of the Bitcoin spot ETFs or a Bitcoin mining stock or MicroStrategy or the Bitcoin mining ETF or one of the future ETFs. The reason I was in GBTC is because I was riding the discount wave back to zero. And now that the discount wave is pretty much at zero, because of the end of day, if I go to a 5-minute chart, you can see how the price of Bitcoin completely crashed early in the morning, and then it was rallying throughout the day, and then it really rallied basically in the last 20 minutes, in the last 20 minutes of market open. So I got out of my GBTC position over here. Sorry, guys, I had to sneeze. Man, my allergies have been killing me today. Not sick, but like my allergies been disaster. I got out of GBTC up here, right around 39.80. And today, GBTC did trade above 39.80 right here. This took place with 15 minutes before the close. I did not even know this happened, but I still have, a few thousand shares of GBTC, and man, I would love to exit tomorrow. I'm probably going to exit more GBTC. Now, the position, the Bitcoin position is still 100% bullish. It's just that I am exiting GBTC in order to enter that cash somewhere else. And I will be entering that cash somewhere else in the Bitcoin sphere through another ticker on the stock market resembling the price of Bitcoin. I don't know what that ticker is. I got a lot of work to do tomorrow to decide what it is so I can be in it before the end of week, so I can be back in my 100% allocation, because the chart still says 100% allocation. So I had to explain that. Okay, one more thing before we talk about traditional markets real quick. One of the 21 tequila bottles, there's only 21 Tone Vays tequila bottles. I own 3 of them, and one of them I'm probably going to keep forever. One of them I'm going to auction off at the next unconfiscatable. And one more we're going to pop open once Bitcoin breaks 100,000 or 1,000,000 or something, right? I'm going to save one for a special occasion. There is one of these 21 bottles up for auction on scarcity, and there's only 16 hours to go till I point it out. I should probably put this in the video description, but I'm sure if you Google Tone Vays tequila on scarcity, you will find it. But I will throw this link in the video description. The current leading bid is 300,000 sats. This is cheaper than the bottles that got sold at Unconfiscatable. This is the Bear Woods company. I really like this company. I will be an advisor for this company. And their patent is absolutely incredible. The patent is very, very broad. And this will be the only company that is able to age liquor inside the bottle itself, right there and right there. So there will be a different Tone Vays tequila bottle eventually on sale. There'll probably be about 210 of those bottles per year, but the tequila inside of it will be different. There's a very special tequila inside that bottle. I personally chose that tequila, the one that's inside the bottle. So check that out. Okay, let's go to the other markets. Short-term chart. This is a 5-minute chart, not looking great. 10-minute chart, also not looking great, but it is sitting at support. Oh, wow, look at the 10-minute chart, popping on an MRI top earlier today. That was not the swing high. The swing high did take place on the premature news, but yeah, let's see if this is going to be a sell the news event. I got 4 more minutes. Let's go through the rest of the charts. Still waiting for what's going to happen on the 23rd of January. We'll keep an eye on that day. Natural gas, not interesting today. Oil is down. Andreas, Tone, what do you think now about the upcoming crypto ETFs like Ethereum? I think Ethereum ETF's coming. I think it's coming. And other scam coins like it. Of course, CNBC talked about Litecoin ETF. CNBC doesn't understand the cryptocurrency market. Of course, they talked about it. You know what? We're gonna. Oh, I don't even know if I'm gonna do a video on this channel tomorrow. Yeah, I will likely be putting my money into a Bitcoin spot ETF. That's correct. Oh, Tequila just got bidded up. Nice. 500,000 sats. There you go. But current bid is still the same person, unless that part didn't update yet. I think it's gonna go for over 1 million sats. We'll keep an eye on that the next 16 hours. Most people watch this on replay anyway. Gold, I'm still bullish. Hey, Winston. Hey, Bernoulli. Link to your tequila ranks. Oh, man, it's in a prior video. I don't have it open right now. Hold on. I'll do it real quick. Man, I gotta find it. All right, here you go. My tequila ranks. There it is. I hope that link works. Does it work? Should work. S&P, new closing high. I'm bullish on the S&P. You guys know I'm bullish on the S&P. And NASDAQ almost at a new high. I'm bullish on the stock market. And the stock market is looking great. So everything's bullish. All right. That's pretty much it for me. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to the Financial Summit channel. We'll be streaming a detailed video of our analysis tomorrow on the channel. All right. Bye, guys. Right here, Financial Summit channel. You can Google for it, right? You Google the words Financial Summit and you'll find it. We're trying to get our SEO up. So just Google Financial Summit and try to find our channel. Will I announce which ETF I'm going to be buying? I'm not sure. Maybe. We'll think about it. I don't expect heavy movement tomorrow when the market opens. All right. Bye, guys.